apple pie, meet cheesecake. It'll blow your head off. Oh. Put that back on, crazy mouse. I got a little too excited. Toss them with sugar and one of our favorite top shelf spices. Half a teaspoon of cinnamonella. This is a hands-on dessert, so get right on in there with your fingers and set it aside while you make the rest. It makes its own syrup. Don't throw away those scraps. Just put them at the base of your tree and they come right down and get it. Is that not the cutest thing? Ha! If the trajectory of Cosmic Bottle aligns with the jelly bean belt, then theoretically it could bend space-time into a donut. But the sprinkles would collapse into a pastry singularity! Yeah! Yeah! You get your fingers in the crust too. Mix your sugar and your flour together. Then cut in your butter. This makes a flaky crust. And that thing is called a pastry blender, by the way. Press it into your pie plate. It's a real thin crust. You can make it thicker by pressing it into the bottom only. The French call this a pâté sucré. In Germany, it's called a Moobie-Take. Set this in the fridge while you make the cream cheese filling. Next on the route, the soda pop C. Sounds bubbly and probably sticky sugar. After that long space glide, I'm ready to roll and sparkle right across it. Okay. How do we cross without getting soaked or stuck in soda bubbles? Watch and learn, darling. This is the safest and fastest way to get your cream cheese and egg to room temperature. As warm as your dishwater. 10 minutes. So beat together your cream cheese, your eggs, sugar, and a little bit of vanilla extract. Oops. Soda bubbles. Watch and learn, darling. Now that's some teamwork and magic, man. Woo. Keep it steady, Bungerdorf. This bottle is the key to everything, and I'm not letting those sparkly fools beat us. Spread it around there. Boy, I love cheese. Place apples on top with the syrup. About a half cup of chopped walnuts or pecans go good with apples too. And bake for 10 minutes.
Then turn down the oven and bake for about 60 minutes longer.
If your nuts start getting too toasty, tin it about halfway through. Oh, sweetie! No, it's not if we'll beat them, it's when. And with a little chaos on our side, victory's practically guaranteed. We need to find that bottle fast before Jimmy and Glitzerbell figure out Flo's map. The center should be springy-dingy. And the apples should be baked all the way through and soft. Oh, one last thing. Don't use a tart pan with perforated holes like we did. This made for a crunchy crust, but it was a pain to get out of the pan. Springform pans work good too. Well, luckily I got a little insider info from the certain galactic bartender.
Really?
Say hello to your new worst nightmare.
Blah!